unfortunately, YouTube doesn't, agree with me. Okay, come on, load up, load up. Okay, we're now live on YouTube, so you can now say and do all sorts of inappropriate things. All right. Okay, now I gotta find the paperwork for your client, Mr. Ambrosino, and that is that's Killian, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Killam. I got the paperwork on my screen. I have Miss Killam on the camera. Miss Killam, can I ask you to please raise your right hand? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I am about to share my screen with you. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay, let me just adjust some things here. So, all right, now,
That's the wrong document, sir. That's a different
that
person.
is the wrong document. What did I do there? Hold on. Back. No. Okay, let me do this. Killing. Okay, I clicked on the wrong thing. Thank you for
Okay.
catching that for me.
All right.
All right. All right. Is your name Candace Killam?
It is, sir.
Are you the same Candace Killam who in this cause number 713-514 who's charged with the offense of burgling a vehicle?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in this case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do
Yes,
you
I'm aware.
understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now on my screen at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you've signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document on my screen that is entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
I did, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
He did, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir, I do.
Are you a citizen of this country?
I am, sir.
I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you have signed it. And when you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal in the future. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir, I do.
So then, to the offense of burglary of a vehicle, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, sir.
And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes, sir, I do.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that,
No,
has
sir.
anybody
Nobody's
promised you anything in order to
No,
get
sir.
you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir, I am.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
$0 fine plus court costs, 73 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask for a finding that the judgment is satisfied.
That's your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Ambrosino?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree with this, Ms. Killam?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Killam, the court having heard your plea of no contest, on that plea, the court does find you guilty. I do follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 73 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Is this the only case holding your client, Mr. Ambrosino?
It is. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. If this is the only case holding you, ma'am, then you should be released sometime today, okay?
Thank you, sir. I get to see my kid for Halloween. Thank you.
Good luck to you. Don't
Thank you,
scare him
sir.
too badly.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Thank you.
Mr. Ambrosino, you can be excused. Thank you.
Judge, I let Gail Calderola in so I can put her in room 1, if you don't mind.
Let's see if she has an offer though. Ms. Calderola, do you have an offer in your case?
Did you hear your name come up here?
No, I want to get
Pardon?
it. I can.
I didn't hear you. Ms.
I just,
Calderola, do you have an offer in your case?
no, I do not, Your Honor. I'd like to talk to the DA first.
Okay, can we have it confer with the district attorney, Terry?
Yes, Judge. Yeah, Gail, would you just move to 6? Hopefully they'll do it. We got 2 pleas ready, Judge. So let me move them to 6 very
If you
quickly.
could just confirm real quickly, Ms. Calderola, I've
Real
got 2
quick,
pleas
Your
that are
Honor.
waiting on you. Okay.
I just got, okay, thank
Her
you.
client is here, Judge. Okay.
Thank you.
It's an FTR. I don't know if she got the,
Okay. And the next plea then is going to be on who?
It's gonna be on for Terry Carter, Judge, on Denise Goodlow.
Carter.
It's on an MTR, Judge.
Okay, I'm looking. Goodlow. Okay, there we go. Finding it. And is that going to be a plea? Is that a regular probation or deferred? You know?
Deferred.
It's a deferred. And you know which allegations you're going to plead true to, right?
Yes.
And it's going to, is this a time served?
No, we're going to continue her, Judge,
Okay.
hopefully.
I need Benavides. Wait right there, guys.
So we're waiting now on Mr. Garcia and Ms. Calderola.
Benavides. Yes, sir. Grab a pair of gloves and sit in the middle computer. Yes, sir. Okay? What do you have? 5. 5?
Hey, give me one.
Okay, Mr. Garcia is back. Ms. Calderola, do we need to put you in a breakout room with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
Can we do that, Terry?
Put her in 1, Judge.
Okay, you're gonna go to breakout room 1, Ms. Calderola.
Thank you.
So you see a button,
Thank
okay?
you.
Okay, now, Ms. Goodlow,
Lectures? Denise.
did someone talk to me? Did someone say judge? I thought, okay, never mind.
No, we're bringing Denise right now, sir.
Probably.
Okay, you're bringing Denise Goodlow in front of the camera. Let me find her paperwork. Hold on. Here we go. Okay, Ms. Goodlow, can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes, sir.
You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down. Is your name Denise Goodlow?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Denise Goodlow who in this cause number 677929, who is currently on deferred adjudication for the offense of assault causing bodily injury and family violence case? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I've been told that we're going to
For the docket.
continue her on. Do I need to take a plea from her anyway to continue her? Mr. Garcia?
I
What's
believe
going
you
on?
do, Your Honor.
Okay, then I'll go through the whole process then. All right. Ms. Goodlaw, I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Video, and you've signed this. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Correct, sir.
I'm looking now. At a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it. And when you signed this document, you told me that you understand that if I do adjudicate you guilty, that you will have a limited right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. I understand.
All right. Let me fill in some blanks here in 1 minute. Okay. The reason you're here is there's been a motion to revoke your probation filed in your case that alleges that during the term of your probation that you violated the conditions of your probation. Well, particularly, I'll ask the district attorney to please read the alleged violation.
On or about the 20th day of September 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Denise Ann Goodlow did then and there failed to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
To that allegation, how do you plead, ma'am? True or not true?
True.
Anybody force you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Anybody promise you anything besides a plea bargain to get you to do this?
No, sir.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
My understanding is there's an agreement. What is that agreement? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
The agreement extend for 6 months from 12/8/23. Positive with medical cannabis prescription UAs only accepted with proof of filing medical cannabis prescription.
Okay, so basically, we're not going to revoke her. We're not going to adjudicate her guilty. We're just going to continue on probation. Is that correct, Ms. Garcia?
That is correct, Your Honor.
So we're going to continue. We're going to alter and amend the conditions. And that is with a cannabis prescription.
Yes, she must have a file. She can have positive UAs with medical cannabis only.
Okay, so the condition will be positive
With medical cannabis prescription
UAs.
accepted with proof.
Hold on. Keep it slow for the guy with the slow fingers. Okay.
Pardon me, Your Honor.
Keep positive UAs with cannabis prescription. This prescription. Period. Now, what's the next condition?
It's a prescription UAs, so that's part of that term there. And then the next part is only accepted with proof of filing medical cannabis prescription.
Well, to me, that's the same thing. I'm going to write here positive UAs with cannabis prescription.
Only,
Right?
yes, yes,
And extended for 6 months, right?
correct.
Is there a blank for me to put that in, or do I need to type that? Because I'm typing it right now.
If you share the screen, we could see.
Oh, I'm sorry. These damn MTRs always screw me up.
I know.
All right, so I've typed on here, positive
Okay.
UAs with cannabis prescription. I'm going to put here, deferred, extended 6 months.
Yeah, I would just type it in, Judge. Karin will take it from there.
That good? Will that work?
Your Honor, may I suggest you put only after the word prescription?
Prescription only, right?
Yes. There you go.
Okay. Will that make sense to somebody in the probation office?
Well, it's actually for Karin, but yes, Judge. We got it.
All right, then I'm signing this. Now, someone tell me if I need to do anything else, because this is kind of a weird thing.
I'm not gonna see you next week.
Is that all right? Are we good?
You're good, Judge. Sign it. Send it
All right,
away.
I'm signing it. I'm sending it off to cyberspace. Good luck to you, man. All right.
Thank you so much.
She's gonna go back to monitor 3, Judge, and she's gonna sign conditions for me.
All right. So she's not leaving quite yet. She's going to go back to breakout room 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell the deputies you need to go back to breakout 3. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
What's your name?
Good luck.
Thank you, Judge. Might I be excused.
You can be excused. Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice weekend.
You too.
Mr. Collins next, Judge on Peralta.
Peralta, Mr. Collins. Hold on.
Peralta.
Find out. Let's see,
Mr. Collins, I don't see an offer in the file.
You got the keys.
I got an offer the other day, 8 days jail, credit for time served, judgment satisfied.
That's what we'll go with.
Is that all right?
Okay
Do you
with
need
the
to double
state.
check that, Mr. Garcia? Or are you okay with that?
I'm good with that, Your Honor.
All right, then I got Mr. Peralta's paperwork. Let me swear him in before I share the screen.
Peralta's here.
Mr. Peralta, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. All right, you see the screen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your name Albert Peralta?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Albert Peralta who in cause number 668768 was charged with the offense of driving a license invalid as an enhanced case? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is an enhanced case, it makes it a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you've signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you've signed it. And when you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of driving while license invalid as an enhanced case, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes,
You
Your
understand
Honor.
that? Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
$0 fine plus court cost, 8 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. We ask for a finding that the judgment is satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Collins?
It is, Your Honor.
You agree to this, Mr. Peralta?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then, Mr. Peralta, the court accepts your plea no contest. On that plea, the court does find you guilty. I do follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 8 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, sir, you should be released sometime today. Okay, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Mr. Collins, you can be excused. Thank you.
Oh, Thank
Appreciate
you.
the help.
Hey, Dan, just for your information, that offer came from Brandon Prater yesterday for the 8 days. Okay.
Very good. It's in there.
Yo,
All
man,
right, thank you.
come on. Come over here. You already had a good time. Have a good time later on.
All
Okay.
right, Judge. I have some housekeeping. I got Frankie Sandoval here. I'd like to put him in the room. First of all, Gail, are you ready?
Yes,
There's no appeal paperwork on NPR, so anyway. No worries.
First of all, then, Mr. Sandoval, do you have an offer?
Okay. I'll
You
put him
shake your
in.
head yes.
I'm gonna,
So let's put him in.
Who's
the
next?
camera.
Who's next?
Frank Sandoval's client, will you put Williams in one? Oh, in two? All right, Williams in two.
Okay, and then we have another attorney, Mr. Guerra presents.
Raymond
Mr.
Williams.
Guerra, do you have an offer in your case?
He's over there.
Your Honor, actually was served with a copy of a dismissal. His case, Mr. Greenberg's case, was supposed to have been dismissed.
And it's not dismissed in the system, so I told him to log in, Judge, because that case is open and pending. So we need to take care of that sometime today or figure out how.
Okay. I got a plea ready. Can I take that plea and then let you confer with the prosecutor after I take that plea? Would that be all right?
Yes, that's fine by me.
Unless you're time pressed on something.
No, but Terry, I'm looking at a copy that I was served with of the signed dismissal. Can I email that to you?
Yeah, I guess you would. Well, you can email it to me. I have to email it to the clerk to put in the system because I don't put the dismissals in there. But yes, you can email it to me and I'll send it to the clerk and see what she says about it if you do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, is it dismissal for 710380?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is.
Okay, I got that right here and I can go ahead and enter that.
Okay.
So then we can dismiss Mr. Guerra and that case is being dismissed and I don't have to sign a dismissal on it, right?
Green.
No, this one's signed already.
Excellent.
All right.
Excellent.
Then thank you, Kareem. Then Mr. Guerra, you can be excused. All right.
Thank you, Mr. Guerra.
Thank you, Judge.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Terry.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Gail Calderola,
yes, Your Honor.
your client, Benavides, is an MTR. Is that a deferred or a regular probation?
It was deferred, Your Honor.
It's a deferred. And
Yes,
is he gonna plea to an allegation, and you know what allegation that is, Mr. Garcia?
Yeah, it was an arrest for an assault.
No,
Yes,
but I
Your
need to-
Honor. I do know which one.
You do know, Mr. Garcia. You're
Yes.
prepared to recite it?
Yes.
Okay, what's gonna happen here? Is he gonna be doing straight time, or is he being continued?
Revoking
Jason,
JSAT, Your Honor.
He's gonna be a JSAP, okay.
Yes.
Let me find his paperwork then. Hold on 1 minute.
Anybody else?
I'm looking for paperwork on Benavides.
Benavides.
Hold on. Don't do anything crash yet. I gotta find his paperwork. Okay, yeah, I got his paperwork. Yeah,
All right.
let's bring him up then.
Benavides, right?
Yeah, Benavides. Mr. Benavides, raise your right hand. for me.
Ernesto, come here. Mr. Benavides, come over here. I'm sorry, you. That's not Greenberg. Hold on, I'm sorry.
Mr. Benavides.
not him.
No, wrong guy.
Benavides, come here.
Third guy.
he is, right here.
Third time will be a charm. Okay, Mr.
All right.
Benavides,
How you doing?
raise your right hand, please. You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, is your name Urban Allen Benavides?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Urban Benavides when this cause number 625-262, who's currently on deferred adjudication for the offense of driving while intoxicated? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This case, you're you currently, are you the same person who's current? Okay, I already said that. You already are deferred for that case. All right. On my screen now is the document entitled Defendant's Consent to Video. You've signed it. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at a document that's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you have signed it. When you sign this document, you're telling me that you understand that if I adjudicate you guilty in this case, that you will have a limited right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Hey, my friend invited me to B&B on Friday. Didn't invite me last week. There's a long line. We told him. 30 minutes before we left.
All right. The reason you're here is there's been a motion to revoke your probation and to adjudicate you guilty filed in your case. Can I ask the district attorney to please read the alleged violation?
Yes, Your Honor. On or about the 15th day of March, 2020 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Urban Allen Benavides, committed the offense of assault in violation of condition number 1.
To that allegation, sir, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer may have gotten for you, besides that, anyone promise you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you entering this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
I'm telling you.
Yes.
$0 fine plus court cost, 9 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask for a finding that the judgment is satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Ms. Calderola?
Yes, Your Honor.
You agree with this, Mr. Benavides?
Yes.
Mr. Benavides, the court having heard your plea of true to the motion to revoke, your probation is revoked. You are hereby adjudicated guilty of the underlying offense of driving while intoxicated. I amend your sentence, I reform your sentence, and I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. Sentence you to 9 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. Judgment is satisfied. I'm going to type in here, defendant is indigent. That may or may not help your client in the future if he tries to reinstate his license with DPS. They have these fines and fees that they impose unless I write that in. Okay.
Hey, Judge.
So good luck to you, sir. If this is the only case holding you, you should be released sometime today. All right.
Thank you, sir. You have a
Good
great.
luck to you. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Ms.
Have a
Calderola,
good
you have
day.
excused. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Terry.
Smiles and everything.
Okay, now, what am I doing now?
Well, we got Frankie and two still conferring, Judge.
Let's see.
That's the
And
last
that's
day.
it. That's it,
Yes.
right? On the
Yes,
plea
yes.
docket? That's
Yes,
the
sir.
only one that's left?
Yes, sir.
Oh, my God.
I see Mona logging in.
Something else will go wrong now.
Okay.
All right.
Hijo, you just jinxed it, Canales.
There's something else that's gonna go wrong. You know that. This is going way too smooth.
Yeah, you can hang it. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Okay, now you're welcome. Bye-bye.
Lightning's about to strike. The whole courthouse of, the jail is gonna blow up now if this thing actually goes quickly. All right, can we bring in pretrial then and start to check on the?
Whoa, what?
No, I just want to check on the docket. I don't want to actually bring prisoners in, but we only have one plea left, so you better be thinking about it, Ramirez.
I'll get
You're speedy
pretrial on.
today, Judge.
Huh?
You're speedy today. You're in a rush.
No, I'm not in a rush. I just want to leave to go to Europe. That's all.
Yeah, he's going on vacation.
Oh, that's
Forget
what it
about
is.
us Little
Voy en
people.
vacaciones, hombre.
All right, just give everybody PR bonds. Let's go. You're out of here.
I like one of these guys getting a PR bond, man. I just, want to get out of here.
You sure you don't want to take the court with you on the cruise?
That'll be a no.
Okay.
Ay, qué malo. That was.
I know. Although I am taking my laptop, I guess technically I could do it if they have good
You
internet.
have 3 bodyguards.
No, not me, because I'll be on my own. I'll be bodyguarding the buffet.
Okay, Jasmine's here.
It's Maria, Judge Maria.
It's Maria. Maria,
Morning, Judge. I'm here.
good morning, Maria. Can I go over the docket with you?
Yes, you may.
Judge, you want-
Looking at the misdemeanors first. 1 and 2 were either on bond or rescheduled. Is 3 going to be here?
3 is gonna be here along with 4, 5,
Okay. 6 not handled.
refuse.
7 on bond. 8 on bond. 9 on bond. What about 10?
10 and 11 will be here,
12 and 13 on bond. Is that correct?
correct?
14 through 21, either on bond or not handled. Is that correct?
Correct.
What about 22?
22 and 23 will be here.
24 on bond. What about 25 and 26?
They will be here.
27
27 refused.
refused. Hold on, handled. Okay. 28.
28 is detoxing, so he will not be here.
Can I just put medical then?
Sure.
All right. 29 not handled. 30.
30 will be here.
31, 32 on bond or not handled. What about 33?
33 and 34 should be here.
Okay. Then I'm looking at the felonies. 1 through 4, either not handled or on bond. Is that correct?
Correct.
What about 5?
5 and 6 should be here.
Okay, and 7 not handled, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so we got that out of the way. We still are waiting on one plea to do. And once you take care of that plea, Maria, then we'll start working on the PR bonds, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm sorry to make you wait, but while I have this time, I want to make,
No
good
worries.
use of it.
No worries.
Judge, so you don't need them right now, right?
I don't need
You don't need the PR bonds yet.
no, but I will need them shortly because I only got one plea left.
All right, we'll start getting them ready, line them up.
Okay.
Hi, Judge, I'm back. You didn't.
Hey, Mona,
Mona.
your computer's working now?
I was
thought you
on
just actually
for,
went out to go get a drink or something. You went to the Dairy Queen and got a blizzard, right?
oh, no, Judge, I'm here. It took a long time and they couldn't get it to come on. So I said, well, I've got to get to work. I said, I'll call later. And all of a sudden I saw that it came back on. I don't know
Wow.
why it does
Wow.
that.
It just knew I was trying to get ready to go on a vacation. That's why.
I know.
Trying to screw me up. Okay, so I've got one Williams case on my screen, but I don't know if Mr. Sandoval, is this going to be a plea in all of them or some of them, Mr. Garcia? What's going on?
Your Honor, I believe they're a plea on each individual thing. They've got 5 cases. They want 5 JSATs.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
No, we'll start. I mean, that's all.
So that's gonna take Mr. Sandoval some time. He's gonna do paperwork on each one. And then we'll have to make sure that we get all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these cases.
You want me to get the bond attorneys on, Judge, or?
Well, should I? We don't have the guys.
Yeah,
You may want to get the bond attorneys here, but I don't think we have the defendants on the bonds. Do we, Alex?
They're here.
Pardon me?
Defendants are here.
The defendants are here. Yeah, let's get the PR bond people here then. Terry, if you don't mind.
okay, got it, Judge.
Turn off YouTube, Judge, if you're gonna do that.
Yeah.
All right, but you can't go anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere. I'll
No.
stay here with you.
I don't want to hear you disappeared
I don't
into
have-
the wilds of San Antonio. Let me see.